All right, guys, we got a BMW here in the garage. This is the X3 SUV, inline 6 with a 3-liter N55 engine. It's all the same with another BMW family out there. So in this video, we got this battery right here, brand new battery. The old one failed on us. It would have been crank. The voltage is there, but no amperage. There's no cold cranking amps. It's so low at all. So today on this video, we're gonna install this battery and then we're gonna program it on this vehicle right here. So let's get started. So basically, I did a test on this already. I did like a battery test on this. Put a load on the battery using the headlight. Turn on the AC. Turn on the blower headlights and stuff, and then turn it off. And then after that, when you're trying to start it up, it won't start anymore. If you put a trickle charge for hours and hours and then start it up, so it's fine. But when it's sitting like this with keep your lights on like that, or have the radio running for less than 2-3 minutes and start it, it won't start. It's just really low. It's really weak. This is the battery right here. It's massive. So we're gonna take this thing out and then we're gonna program the new one in after we install. All right, so here we go. There's two little tabs right here that you need to twist so that you could expose the battery underneath that cover. I'm just gonna put a weight on that thing so they will stay open. So for every vehicle, taking out the battery, you always have to take out the negative first and then positive after. And then when you install a new one, you do opposite way. You install the positive first and then the negative after. So loosen that up. Take it out. And then the positive is next. Loosen that up. And there's a bracket right here that we need to take out. Alright, so I end up opening up this cover right here. There's a push pin retainer on one on each side. They're right here. I end up taking those out so I could open this up, because there's a bolt right here and there's a bolt right here to secure the battery down with this bracket. So we need to take out that bolt. With the extension, I use a 13mm socket. Alright, so there's this silver bracket right here. There's a little tab right there that needs to come out this way, and then same thing on this side needs to come out this way. I just use this little pry bar tool right here, go like that, and then let's see if this battery will come out together. See, there you go, it's all out. Same thing with the bracket, because there's a lot of wire and everywhere. We're just gonna have to take this out. There's a lot of things going on top of the battery. We need to make room, so we have to take out. Alright, we'll take this out with a 13mm socket. There you go. That's good. Okay, so we took out this connector right here. It goes right there. Just open up this cap, and then after you open it, just push this one out. And then now we're gonna have to like move the whole thing over on that side. Just be careful, make sure nothing. Yeah, just go like that. Yeah, there you go. And then there's a vent right here. We need to take out from the battery. There's a vent. It's supposed to be like that. Now pull that off, put it on the side. There's a little block right there with the bolt. There we go. Alright, so compare. There we go. Negative and then positive. This is a group 95R. 95R. You know, every battery have this cover right here. You know what's this for? This is like a vented. There's a hole right here. There's a hole right there. Yo,
Yes.
what's up, man?
Not much, bro.
We got the right battery now.
Nice. What is it?
Well, built out right, but they
Yeah.
gave us the wrong battery.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got the old one out.
Okay.
So we're just gonna.
Is it complicated to take out or?
Nah.
No.
Nah. There's a lot of rat's nest wire right here.
Oh.
Look at this. So just gonna show Muhammad here about this cover right here.
This one, yeah.
This is a vented battery. There's a hole
Yep.
in there,
Yes.
and this one is plugged. So we had to plug the hole here. This is not plugged,
Okay.
so we'll plug this one here because it's inside the vehicle, and you don't want to smell batteries all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. See, same thing as this one.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's put it in here. All right, let's go, man. Yep. Shoot. Perfect. Triangle bracket right there. Secured the battery. All right, put it back now. Cover it up. And then the positive battery goes in. There you go. Positive go in first, and then we'll deal with the negative after. So pretty much put all the nuts and bolts, the bracket right there. Same thing on this side, and then this silver retainer push down. There you go. Hear that click. Yeah, we'll tighten that up. And then same thing here. I'm gonna deal with this wire right here. There's 3 wires on this side. This little one that goes to here.
It is hard.
All right, so all the wire right here. There's 3 wire on this side. All right, we're just gonna tighten up this bolt right here for the positive cable, 10 mil. And now there's 3 wires right here that you need to connect, purple to purple, positive right there. And then there's small tiny wires to the positive cable. And then there's a vent hose right here. Need to connect, okay, all the way down right there. So that's all on this side. And on this side here, just need to put the positive. It's all secured. And this cable right here that needs to connect. There we go. I think that's it. All you need to do is connect this, and everything is good. And then I just need to program the battery to the computer.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it, guys. We'll connect this, and then we'll just leave it open. Okay, go ahead, connect it. Boom. I hate that. It's nice and snug. That's good, bro. All right, so we're inside the BMW here. I got this autel running. We're gonna program that battery. Let's take a look. So this vehicle has an engine light here because of it has a coolant sensor problem. I'm gonna do that in the next video. There's 2 coolant sensors on this engine. One is right in front of the block, and then there's another one right by the thermostat. There's a lot of forums and videos online. People get mixed up that they think there's only 1 sensor, but there is 2 on this N55. I'm guessing it's the same thing with the other N56 engine and all the other stuff. But you have to look it up on your own, what kind of engine you got, and double check, make sure if you have 2 sensors. So let's go right here, hot function. We got the lights on the dash going. Battery right there, BMS. So battery register exchange. Let's go on that one. Just gonna have to wait until I get this 100%. All right, here we go. The history of the last battery exchange. This is, we'll find out what's the history. This is when you're changing it. Let's just find out what's the history on this. Hey John, so the scanner here, this is never been changed.
What?
The battery never been changed. That was the original
Yeah.
battery.
Yes, because
Yeah.
I was sure I saw like the number there says 13 something.
Is that like the year?
The year, yeah.
Because the year of this vehicle is 2013.
Yeah,
So
I think it's one of the, like in the top posts, like the one where you put the like negative or positive battery there. It will say like a number there
Oh, okay.
on when it
Okay.
was made.
Okay.
That's what I saw. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Cool. All right.
So
Yeah, because now I'm gonna register the battery and it's telling the computer that it's gonna be changed. The battery exchange was successful. Entered to register a new battery size or other battery type. Now is in the program system battery. Please use another program table to retrofit. Full functionality on the sense. Okay, looks like it's done. Full functionality is only available with a valid state of charge. Functional such as the automatic stop and go, intelligent generator control can be restricted. In the next step, the data and time of the vehicle will be set. Continue to function next. The following date and time were set successful. Okay, there you go. It sets on the computer that has been changed on that day. That's the day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. So it's programmed. Then I guess we'll see if it starts. All right. So let's go back here. It's gonna go to the live data for this battery. We're gonna monitor what it looks like when it's running. Okay, we'll get a setting in here now for the engine DME, engine digital motor electronics. We got the voltage right there, 12.1 volts. I'm just gonna narrow it down. We're gonna check out the alternator. Here you go, alternator right there. Just gonna narrow everything down. And there you go. All right, guys, I'm gonna start the engine. Battery voltage 11.9, and the alternator voltage puts out 12 volts, so that's good. There you go. They all match now, alternator and the battery 14. So to me, it's good, man. Perfect. Just gonna go for a quick drive and then let's check it out after. All right, so before we go for a test drive, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys. Here's that code I got on that engine lights earlier. Thermostat jammed open. So basically, the coolant sensor on the gauge here is always below 700 Celsius. It's not moving up. It's been running for like 20 minutes, half an hour. You know, it's always been on stuck on 70 Celsius. And I know it's hot because I could feel the air coming out of the vent that it's warm already, and the engine it's hot. So it's been stuck on that gauge. So to me, the sensor on the front on the block, it's not the sensor. It's gonna be on the thermostat. There's a sensor there. So I ordered the parts already. It's gonna be in a couple days here. The thermostat housing is the block, the whole plastic housing with a whole bunch of hoses that connects on that, and there's a sensor right there. And the sensor is to get the sensor, you have to get the whole thermostat housing. It doesn't, they don't sell the sensor, and that will be in the next video. So for now, guys, I'm just gonna go for a test drive, and then let's find out what's going on the parameter on this scanner here while we monitor the voltage of the battery, the current voltage of the alternator. Let's go for a test drive, and then let's come back. There we go. We've been driving for what, like 5 minutes. It's just around the block here, around the area. So here's my live data for battery and alternator. So the second row, oh man, it's moving. So right here on the second row, 13. It fluctuates 13 to 14 volts. That's the voltage of the alternator. It charges the battery. That's the third row. The amperage of alternator is 36 to 34. Sometimes it goes up and down. And then the lower one here is the battery sensors. It 14, 13 and a half, you know. So yeah, it's working. It's charging the battery and then puts out alternator voltage to the battery. Sensor light is still on because of that sensor on the cooling thermostat. But other than that, it looks good.